Oh, well, hi there. This is Aaron at Zippin Media. You like drones? Who doesn't like drones? We all like drones. This is what's commonly referred to as a drone, which is actually a misnomer. Really, it's a remotely controlled quadcopter. So we use this equipment right here for our aerial cinematography to capture beautiful images and video from the sky. As you can imagine, quadcopters like this are more cost effective and can get into places where other large flying vessels simply can't. Shots from these cameras are typically used for establishing shots, follow shots, and in action sequences. The Mavic family of copters, like this one here, provides a very reliable and steady flight control system. In addition, the high quality of the integrated Hasselblad camera records up to 4K and even allows for lens filters to be added for a more cinematic look. Another kind of aerial cinematography tool for different types of shots is the FPV. It's a more agile flyer and is used primarily for action sequences. Now, FPVs have a roll axis that give a viewer this feeling of being immersed in the action. This makes a production very high energy and impactful. Now, flights for all kinds of helicopters here, they typically last about 20 to 30 minutes and must legally be flown under 400 feet. You must also be certified through Part 107 for commercial flights. Would aerial cinematography be perfect in your corporate video? Give us a call so we can schedule your flight. Thanks for watching.